In this video, we're going to talk about phone mounts. Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to talk about phone mounts. And thank you very much to Phil, who sent me a message on Instagram to request this video. So thank you, Phil, and hopefully you'll find this video interesting. So let's start and see what I don't use and then what I do use. So here is my phone at the moment on a kind of windscreen mount, and this is the first mount that I had when I bought Fern, mainly because I had it from my tin top, and it does the job, but the problem is it's very kind of wobbly because the windscreen vibrates when you're driving. And also the kind of suction pad at the back, it made it fall off quite a bit. I think it's partly to do with the kind of temperature of the windscreen, but possibly to do with the vibrations as well. So yes, this does work, but it's not ideal and there's definitely better solutions out there. I'm not saying that what I use or what I currently use is the best, and lots of owners have made their own kind of solutions to this as well. But yeah, there's definitely much better solutions to a windscreen mount. So let's take my phone off and let's put it on the mounts that I do use. When I was looking for a better solution, I had a quick look online on Black Chat and I saw that a few people were using quad lock. And what you need to have a quad lock mount is, well, first you need a case. And hopefully you can see here it's got quad lock, and this is where you kind of use to mount the phone. So not that it matters, but I've got a Samsung S10, and as you can see, or hopefully you can see here, I've actually got two mounts and they're both kind of quad lock sticky mounts. And what I did first, because it was, well, the easy option, was I put a mount here on the dash, and it works really well. And it's also kind of out of sight as well, where this one's possibly a bit better for if you want to use maps or something like that. But I'll show you how you use the mount. So as you can see, there's kind of a kind of north, south, east, west kind of structure of the mount itself. So you kind of put it in a diagonal position and then you put it there and it locks in place. So, you know, I'm pulling really hard there and there's no way that's coming off. And you can also have it kind of in the portrait position as well. And again, there's no way that's coming off. So if you've got an aero screen, then yeah, really perfect, I think. But yes, you can have it in the portrait position here, but the main reason I put it here was because if I have it in the kind of landscape position, I can still see my dials okay, and it worked really well. Here is a 3D printed mount that you can find on eBay, and I'll leave a link in the description below. And it's actually designed to have a different mount on the front, not a quad lock one, but these are the sticky kind of pads on the back and they stick really well, and I've just stuck it on the front. And I'll just quickly show you how this is slightly different. So this one, because it's flat with the dash, sometimes you might get reflection of the sun. It'd be quite hard to see if you've got a map on, for instance. But this one is actually angled a little bit towards me as I'm driving. So I'll take it off here and then I'll put my phone in the portrait position. And as you can see, or hopefully you can see, it's angled a little bit my way, so yeah, it works out really well for that. And again, you can have it in the portrait position or also the landscape position. I'll just quickly take this off so you can see the mount a little bit. So like I say, this mount is angled towards me and you can mount it in different ways. Some people unscrew the kind of poppers and then have this flush with the dash and then have the kind of popper attachments on top. But as you can see, I can take this off really easily because I've riveted poppers underneath, and there's also a bit of foam to protect the scuttle there. So this means I can easily take it off if I want to. So if I'm, I don't know, want the aero screen on or doing a track day, for instance, it's really easy to take off and you literally just pop it back on. No pun intended there. There's two poppers on there. So yeah, it's really, to be honest, I leave it on near as damn it all the time. And it's nice to have the different options as well. And one thing to consider when having your phone mounted on your car is you do have to be very careful about vibrations, and obviously caterhams do vibrate quite a lot. So look into that before you look into any kind of mounting options. But I've driven my car plenty of miles and my phone has been fine, but yeah, look into that yourself before you want to do that. That's up to you. But you can see how easy it is here, just to literally just pop it on and then pop it off. It's really easy, and it's just so solid when it's on there. And I don't know about you when you're driving, but I really don't like having my phone in my pocket. And yes, I could put it there, but a lot of the time, or some of the time, I could be using a Google Maps or something like that. It just kind of keeps it out of the way. But yeah, you could obviously put it in your tunnel bag if you wanted to, or anywhere else. But personally, I don't like it in my pocket. It just feels a bit funny when I'm driving, so I prefer it out the way. I just wanted to say thank you again to Phil for requesting this video. And if you have a request yourself, please leave a comment in the comment section below, or you can message me on Facebook or Instagram. And then my accounts on there are just a caterham called Fern, exactly like my YouTube account. Please let me know in the comment section below if you've got a better mounting system for a phone in a caterham, because I know that a lot of owners do make their own solutions. Also, please let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful or useful. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It makes a big difference to a small channel like mine. And don't forget, every stone chip tells a story, and I'll see you in the next one.